Hi, this is Paul with Seller Lads, and I'm here with John.
Hey everyone.
And today we're doing the next part in our video series on how to manufacture and private label items on Amazon. And we've learned a lot so far. We've learned how to pick a product and get it to the manufacturing process and kind of giving you some ideas and some tips on how to do that. So hopefully at this point, if you were in the process, you would have a product and you'd be excited about the product and it would be a good product that you are happy about. And now the job is to get it for sale online and start getting some people buying it. And so specifically, we're talking about marketing. Well, and in reality, the whole process has been marketing. We've kind of looked at a niche and found ourselves and designed a product to really fill a need or a demand that was kind of there. And we've hopefully built your product with the right features and everything that people are going to want, and now we just have to let people know about it and get it there. So, now, do you have any questions about marketing at all off the top of your head, John?
How do you want your listing to be on Amazon? Like, are there any tips you have?
Yeah, that's a great question. So, I see a lot of different things going on with listings. I see some people that will have keywords in their title all the way out as far as you possibly can go. And then I see some people that have, only 3 keywords in their title. And I see people that have, 20 images on a listing and they write huge long descriptions. And, I think a lot of this really is trial and error, and there's some science behind it that you can do to really check things out. But you also got to think about perceptions of your product. So let's just look at this product here, this Camelback Eddie. This guy here is the #1 position for water bottle, and it's got a really short title, but it has 1,400 reviews, and it's a clean listing. It looks good. Like, I would be comfortable buying this listing. And if you look at it, like, look how beautiful everything is laid out here. I mean, this is an example of an attractive listing. It has a really nice, concise product description, but then it has a lot of great content here that gives you a lot of information about the item. And so the first thing that I would say is, when you create your listing, do not skimp on creating a product listing. Make sure that you have really good pictures. So look at the pictures on these. These are really high quality pictures. They look really well, and they were professionally taken. So unless you're a professional photographer, if you have really good photography skills, then great, take your own pictures. But if not, you can find somebody in your local community that will take really good pictures of your stuff. So get good pictures taken. Don't skimp out on pictures. The other thing is that this listing has all the colors all in one listing and all the sizes in one listing. That's smart, because if you could make a separate listing, you could have, Camelback Eddie bottle blue, Camel Eddie bottle gray. You could have all those be different listings.
Yeah.
But the problem is that you're going to segment all of your sales into different listings, so you're not going to push one up towards the top. So it's better to group everything under one listing and have your different colors and your different sizes and everything like that. So that's going to be a better option for you. So that's one thing. All right. So another thing is that these people have a really nice designed body of their listing. So you want to do the same thing. All right. There's a reason why this is the #1 product. It's because it looks professional. So spend the time either to do it yourself or hire a designer to design a really good listing. Because if you just try to put a bunch of stuff out there and take a Word document and then put it into your listing, it's not going to look as good as if you hire somebody who's professional at creating this content. And this looks really, really good. They even have their FAQ right here, and it's a really good listing. The other thing is use the bullet points. Use these bullet points here for sure, because these bullet points, Amazon uses these bullet points for data of determining the keywords for what they search. So use your bullet points. So those are some of the key things for a really good listing, I would say. And if you can get your item listed in multiple subcategories, that's great as well. This thing's listed in water bottles and also sports and outdoors accessories.
How do you do that?
Which
listed
is great.
In the subcategories?
When you create your listing, it'll allow you to choose your category, and sometimes it'll allow you to choose more than one category. So if you can, then that's great. And I'm trying to see if there's anything else I can tell you. If you have questions, then go ahead and do Q&As here and answer them. Just pay attention to your listing after it's created. And then the big thing is reviews, right? So make sure that you're getting customer reviews. So the one thing we're going to do with that is just whenever you sell an item, ask your purchaser, whoever bought it, if they enjoy the item, if they like it.
Okay.
And if they do, then go ahead and ask them to leave you a review. And you can use tools like Feedback Genius. We have a tool called Feedback Genius that allows you to automate all of those requests and everything. And if you get a negative review, follow up with them. Ask them, what's the problem? And then you can follow up with people. So that's really it for a good quality listing on Amazon, and making sure that you have good reviews. And we'll talk more about this in the next video, but I'm going to go ahead and keep this as a short video for now. And thanks for watching, and check out the next video, and we'll talk about some more advanced marketing techniques.